In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find OakNorth branches and ATMs near you step by step. Now, as a quick introduction, it's important to note that OakNorth Bank is a bit different from your traditional high street bank. Specializing in business banking, loans, and savings, OakNorth primarily operates online. This means they don't actually have a large network of physical branches or ATMs. So, if you have an OakNorth debit card, you're likely relying on partner banks or standard ATM networks. But don't worry, I'll guide you through the process to ensure you know exactly where you can access your funds. To start our journey, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to OakNorth Bank's official website. Once you're there, look for the Resources tab. This is your gateway to a treasure trove of information about the bank's operations and services. Click on Resources and from the drop-down menu, navigate to the FAQs section. The Frequently Asked Questions section is where you'll find answers to common customer inquiries, including the availability of branches and ATMs. Next, try using the search feature in the FAQ section. Type in the word branch and see what comes up. You may find a specific question like, "Do you have any branches?" Click on that link to explore the details. Here, you'll learn more about OakNorth's approach as a digital-only bank, confirming that they do not operate physical branches in the traditional sense. After that, it might be useful to search for related terms like ATM and bank to get a broader understanding of where and how you can access OakNorth services. Unfortunately, these searches generally don't yield direct results for OakNorth branded locations, highlighting once again their digital-first strategy. Now, you might be wondering where to actually use your OakNorth card. The key thing to remember is that your card can likely be used at any ATM that's part of the UK's Link network. Many major high street banks, such as Barclays, HSBC, Lloyds, and NatWest, have ATMs that should accept your card, provided they support either Visa or MasterCard. Independent ATMs that are compatible with these card networks are also viable options. Always look out for the network logo on the ATM to ensure compatibility with your OakNorth card. I hope this guide helps you navigate OakNorth's digital landscape and find the ATM services you need. While it may require a bit more planning compared to traditional banks, the flexibility of using OakNorth's digital services combined with partner ATMs offers you a unique banking experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy banking!